In a combative series of tweets, US President Donald Trump accuses China of trying to influence the midterm elections. He says China has openly stated that they are actively trying to impact and change our election by attacking our farmers, ranchers, and industrial workers because of their loyalty to me. China has been taking advantage of the United States on trade for many years. They also know that I am the one that knows how to stop it. There will be great and fast economic retaliation against China if our farmers, ranchers, and/or industrial workers are targeted. The allegation adds an explosive new element to the dispute after Trump gave the go signal on 10% tariffs against another $200 billion in Chinese goods. In response, China announces new tariffs on $60 billion of US imports.